In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to fix the weapon wheel in GTA 5 on the PlayStation 5 and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, sometimes when you are trying to use a gun, out of nowhere, you will just switch guns randomly. This is either going to be done instantly or you will see the weapon wheel pop up for a single second. So why does this happen? And you might notice as well that it only happens when you play using a DualSense controller, either on your PlayStation 5 console itself or when you play on a PC using the same kind of controller. So, as you can see, I am recording this video on my PC, but everything that I say is going to apply for your PlayStation 5. In here, I can open the weapon wheel by holding L1 or the left bumper, and then I can just use my joystick to select the weapon. Now, this might also work on the PlayStation 5. However, one thing that does work, and it's the reason on why you might see the weapon wheel randomly pop up and switch guns, is because if you drag your finger across the touchpad, as you can see here, it actually switches the guns. So if you swipe from the left towards the right, it is going to switch to the weapon that way, and if you swap or switch from the right to the left, it is also going to have the same effect. What happens is that while you are playing, pressing the buttons, moving the joysticks, you might accidentally bump into the touchpad, and because the touchpad is super sensitive, it opens up the weapon wheel. I know this is very sad to see, and it seems like we don't have a way of disabling the weapon wheel or the touchpad as of today. So unfortunately, to my knowledge, there is no way to fix this on a PlayStation 5. You simply have to be careful or try using another controller. The touchpad is super sensitive, and any swipes that you perform across the pad will open the weapon wheel on GTA 5. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about why the weapon wheel pops up on GTA 5 and you might not seem to notice. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.